Kaspa holders, welcome back to another brand new video. Hope you guys are all doing well. So in today's video, yes, I do want to give you guys a quick update on what is exactly happening right now for Kaspa. There is in fact a fair few charts that I do want to show you guys, and I just hope you guys are still in Kaspa and you guys are simply, not slowly, losing faith into this project, and you guys truly understand, where the future holds for Kaspa, where Kaspa is truly heading, not short term but long term. Okay, so looking at the Kaspa price right now, guys, Kaspa is currently trading at 7 cents still, of course, right? It's been at 7 cents for the past few days. Sometimes it'll go back up to 8 cents, and then it'll just drop back down to the 7 cent levels. So right now, okay, Kaspa is currently at 0.075. Earlier this morning, okay, we did actually see Kaspa going back up to 0.077. But we're currently in the 1 hour time frame. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. And yeah, you guys can clearly see Kaspa has dropped back down to this level of 0.075. But overall, Kaspa, right, is still holding very, very well at 7 cents. Man, this is such a gift, guys. Okay, it really, really is such a gift, a blessing, a opportunity to load up on Kaspa at this price level of 7 cents. Because as I told you guys many, many times, Kaspa right now is currently at the bottom or near the bottom. Like I said, okay, we may see Kaspa going lower to maybe 6 cents. Okay, that is possible, right? But understand this is pretty much the bottom. Like if we go to the weekly time frame, okay, I really do believe where Kaspa is right now, okay, this is the bottom for Kaspa in this area, right? Whether that's 7 cents or 6 cents, this is the bottom. Do I think Kaspa can go to 5 cents? Probably not. In my opinion, right, very, very unlikely to happen. We know Kaspa has been on this downtrend, and as I told you guys many, many times, we're gonna see Kaspa breaking out from this downtrend, right? It's gonna break that resistance line, and then it's gonna continue to go higher, okay, and then we're gonna see it go back up to 10 cents and beyond 10 cents. So be ready for that, guys, because I do believe that will be happening for Kaspa someday, right? Eventually, okay. So yeah, Kaspa today is not really moving. Okay, you guys can clearly see that. Like it went up, okay, back to 0.077, okay, and then I just dropped back down to this level of right now, 0.075. For the week, it is down over 5%, 5.5%. For the month, it is down 7%, okay. So yeah, this is such a great time to buy Kaspa, guys, okay. And of course, for the year, it is down over 40%, okay, 46%. So yes, okay, I understand why a fair few of us are slowly losing faith for Kaspa, okay, because we're just looking at price, guys. That's the main thing. And I feel like a lot of people, okay, yeah, a lot of people that are, losing faith into this project are just in Kaspa to make a quick buck, right? To make a quick trade, okay? But the ones that are here still for Kaspa, we know where Kaspa's heading long term. So I'm glad you guys are here with me with Kaspa long term. Okay, and I will see you guys at the top, and we will celebrate 100%. But yeah, like I said, guys, this is such a blessing to buy Kaspa below 10 cents. It is super undervalued, right? And it really, really is. You guys can, 100%, agree with me on that one. But yeah, looking at the Kaspa monthly return, since Kaspa is slightly dropping, of course, it's slightly in the reds right now. Like I said, October has been a pretty bumpy road for Kaspa. We have been seeing a lot of ups and downs. It was a great start, okay, at the beginning of this month in October. Kaspa was, in the greens. It was up like 3-4%, I believe, maybe higher than that, like 5% at one point. But yeah, it's gone down, and that happens, right? But yeah, I'm not stressing about the price. In fact, this makes me more bullish for Kaspa and gives me more time to, buy more Kaspa. Okay, I even posted about this on X, and I will share that with you guys in this video. But yeah, the volume today for Kaspa, $42 million. The market cap for Kaspa is still above $2 billion, which is always nice to see. The next reduction is in 26 days, and the transactions, okay, real-time TPS, right? So, transactions per second, nothing too crazy today. Okay, you guys can clearly see that. I like what they did here. They did, in fact, update cast.fyi, okay? And I like the update, to be honest. Okay, I really, really do like the layout and everything like that, right? It is amazing to see. So yeah, looking at this, guys, this is actually pretty interesting. Okay, so there's this X account, okay, and I believe they do a lot of reviews on different, altcoins and whatnot. So they're called Crypto reviewing. Okay, and they did one on Kaspa yesterday, and I want to show you guys it because it's actually very, very interesting, and it is true. So you guys can see crypto review, Kaspa rating 9.6 out of 10. 9.6 out of 10, guys. That's almost a 10 out of 10. That's amazing to see, okay? Narrative layer 1, 1.4 trillion, okay? And number one, look at this. Number one, crypto community. They know, guys. Okay, these guys know that Kaspa is truly the best community out there in the entire crypto space. Look at this. It even says it, right? Number one crypto community, guys. You see it, right? They know, guys, that Kaspa, okay, the community, it's amazing. Okay, it really, really is. It's the most loyal community out there. And it's like, Kaspa's like driven by community. Like, this is truly the best community out there out of the entire crypto space, guys. Okay, it really, really is. All of you guys can 100% agree on that, right? But yeah, it says here, project, utility, roadmap, team, social, tokenomics, partnerships, and centralized exchanges. Okay, so you have to clearly see, exchanges that, you can buy, sell, and trade. Kaspa, KuCoin, Maxi, Gate.io, Bybit, BitGet, BingX, I think it's called, Bitmart, Kraken, and more list Kaspa. Yes, more listings are coming for Kaspa for sure. Major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, even something like Crypto.com. That's going to be happening, guys. Okay, and that has been talked about for a while now in the Kaspa community, but that's going to be coming, guys. Okay, I really do believe, for example, Binance, this major tier 1 exchange, will for sure make a spot listing happening for Kaspa. That is coming, guys. But yeah, absolutely amazing to see, guys, okay, that this page did a review on Kaspa, and it's pretty much overall a 9.6 out of 10, almost a 10 out of 10. I mean, look at this. Project, okay, 10 out of 10. Utility, 9 out of 10. Roadmap, 10 out of 10. Team, 10 out of 10. Social, 10 out of 10. Tokenomics, 10 out of 10. And partnerships, 8 out of 10. But that's still pretty high, though. Okay, that is still pretty high. So overall, the rating is 9.6 out of 10. Almost a 10 out of 10, guys. Okay, risk and reward is low. Amazing to see. Okay, absolutely amazing to see. But you're getting to this. Okay, what will happen with Kaspa short term? What can we expect to happen for Kaspa short term? Okay, so this person is predicting Kaspa was able to remain above the bottom zone, but failed to close above our line in time. Looking to see something like this, and not too much resistance from this new zone in the short term. So yeah, like I said, guys, Kaspa right now is pretty much at the bottom. Okay, like I said, okay, where Kaspa has been for the past few weeks. Okay, at the 7-cent level. Sometimes it'll go back up to 8 cents, and then it'll just drop back down to 7 cents, like I said. But yes, Kaspa for the past few weeks has been pretty much at 7 cents. And we haven't seen Kaspa breaking down to 6 cents. Do I think that is possible? Yes, I do. Okay, honestly, it can happen at this point, right? Anything is possible. But yeah, we'll have to see about that. But like I said, guys, okay, I wouldn't, gamble it, or, wait for the right time. For example, wait for Kaspa to go to, 6 cents and buy. Like, if you have money now, just DCA. That's all you guys need to do. And of course, this is not financial advice. Always doing research, right? But that's personally what I'm doing, guys. Okay, I'm just simply DCAing into Kaspa. If I see it dropping more, I'm going to buy more. Of course, I'm going to buy the dip. So it is possible that, yes, we do see more corrections coming for Kaspa, but we're not going to see huge corrections, in my opinion. Like, for example, like I said earlier, I don't think we're going to see Kaspa going back down to like 5 cents. 6 cents, sure, but 5 cents, unlikely to happen, in my opinion, right? But once it does, in fact, have these corrections, if it does have a correction back down to 6 cents, right, lower than 7 cents, it's going to bounce back up. That's what you guys need to understand. No matter what happens with Kaspa, it's going to bounce back up. Okay, I truly do believe in that. Now, looking at this, keep on trading says here, peep the winter mute pattern on Kaspa. Maybe wallet number 2 is a winter mute for Binance after all. Yeah, I don't know about that. Maybe. Okay, maybe. Who exactly knows? But yeah, we know, guys, wallet number 2 has been accumulating a lot of Kaspa recently, like millions of it, right? So yeah, you guys can clearly see right over here, Joe is talking about it, saying, seriously, wallet number 2, whose is it? Humpback whale. 949.5 million Kaspa, which is equivalent to like $71 million. $71 million, guys. That is actually insane. Almost 1 billion Kaspa that they have accumulated. Okay, and so show yourself, because yeah, we don't know who wallet number 2 exactly is. In my opinion, I think it could be an exchange. Okay, I don't know if it is Binance. Okay, a lot of people, yeah, a lot of people are actually saying it is Binance. Like this person said over here, I don't think it is a Wintermute since the wallet is always accumulating. Likely it's Binance or maybe Coinbase. Okay, yeah, like I said earlier, I do believe it is an exchange. Who exactly knows who it is? It could be Binance, it could be Coinbase, it could be Crypto.com. Who exactly knows, right? OKX, right? We really do not know, guys. Okay, and Joe says, yeah, the reveal will either be bullish or bullish, and that's true, right? That is very true. It's not going to be bearish. It's going to be bullish either way. Okay. And this person says here, maybe the creator of Kaspa or his mates. Okay. Yeah, maybe. Highly doubt it. Okay. That's what Joe is saying here as well. Okay. Wintermute, something's brewing. I need to read more about Wintermute. Okay. But yeah, like I said, guys, we really don't know who this wallet belongs to. Okay. Wallet number 2. I mean, if we look over here, man, they've been stacking a fair bit of Kaspa, right? Look at this. Okay, over 4 million, which is over like $300,000, and look at this, right? 20 million. Okay, so they have been accumulating a lot of Kaspa, like millions of it. Okay, and what's funny is they are receiving small amounts of Kaspa as well. I don't know if they're buying this, like 0.1, which is like only 1 cent, 2 cents there, 45 cents there, 8 cents there, right? But they do make big purchases. Okay, Yaskley said that they buy millions of Kaspa in one buy, right? In one go. So yeah, we don't know who this wallet belongs to. Wallet number 2. It still remains a mystery, right? But I do believe in the future, either way, we will find out who it is, unless they want to, show themselves, right? So that is that. But yeah, also from Drake, you keep funding, we keep stacking. Like if you have not sold any Kaspa. Okay, I mean, I have not sold any Kaspa at all, guys. Like not even 1 cent worth of Kaspa. All I've been doing with Kaspa is just simply buying and holding. That is literally it. That's all I've been doing with Kaspa. I have not sold a dime of my Kaspa. I'm simply just buying and holding, right? And it's great to see all these other wallets accumulating Kaspa as well. Okay, a lot of wallets that are in exchanges, they are buying as well. Okay, just clicks that. So that's always nice to see. Okay, but yeah, never sell, only buy. What does sell mean? Okay, strong hold for years, max hold. And this guy says here, dude, I'm down significantly on a Kaspa. Keep DCAG. And that's true, right? You just got to keep DCAing. Okay, even if you're down on Kaspa. Okay, I'm slightly down. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Okay, I'm slightly down. I did buy a fair bit of Kaspa when it was up beyond 10 cents, right? When it was at 11 cents, 12 cents, even at 13 cents, 14 cents as well. But I've been buying a lot of Kaspa recently, right, for the past few months, ever since it has dropped below 10 cents, like a lot. Okay, like a lot of Kaspa. So I'm down a little bit, but either way, guys, if I go down even more, I'm not stressing. I'm in it for long term. I'm not in it for short term. It's just like with Bitcoin, right? I'm used to the volatility. Okay, I really, really am, guys. I've been in crypto for over 5 years. I'm not stressing. Okay, I'm used to the, volatility, right? It goes up and then it goes down and then it goes up and then it goes down even more, right? So I'm used to it, guys. I'm legit not stressing. In fact, like I said, since the Kaspa price is not even moving, it's making me more bullish, right? It really, really is, guys. So I am stacking a lot of Kaspa. And honestly, I don't mind if the Kaspa price stays at this level. So this is what I posted yesterday, right? Last night, saying, to be honest, I'm loving the Kaspa price lately at 7 cents. Gives me so much time to load up heavy. Anyone else feeling the same way, or is it just me? Okay, and VJ is saying here, he is loading up as well. Okay, he says, I'm actually happy Kaspa is this low. I hope it stays for a few more months, but it will likely rally once it hits 0.067 to 7 cents. Let me load up longer. And that's true, right? Me and VJ legit have the same exact mindset. Okay, so understand, guys, like what I said earlier, I don't mind the Kaspa price being at 7 cents. I really don't, because it's giving me and a lot of us, okay, that are loading up on Kaspa, is giving us time, so much time to still buy and load up and accumulate Kaspa at a low price. You guys need to understand, Kaspa is super undervalued. Okay, it really, really is. This is such a blessing. I'm glad Kaspa has not moved, okay, up to the upside just yet. I'm glad we haven't seen a breakout happening for Kaspa back to like 10 cents, even back up to its previous highs of 20 cents, even reaching new highs. Honestly, I'm very, very glad, but the price of Kaspa is still below 10 cents. It's giving me more time to buy. It's giving you guys more time to buy as well. Just look at it at the bright side. We know this project will eventually break out. As much as I want it, or VJ or anyone else in the Kaspa community want Kaspa to stay below 10 cents so we can load up as much as we possibly can, it's not going to happen because time is ticking, and we know Kaspa is going to have a breakout to new all-time highs. That's going to be happening, unfortunately, right? And it's going to happen, right? And, you know, let's just say Kaspa does reach new highs. I say when Kaspa reaches new all-time highs, because it will happen 100%, right? I'm still going to buy it. Whether Kaspa's going to 30 cents, 45 cents, right, 50 cents and whatnot, $1, you bet I'm still going to DCA into Kaspa. Okay, understand that, guys. I'm pretty much going to buy Kaspa for a lifetime. It's just the same thing with Bitcoin, right? I have that same exact mindset with Kaspa like Bitcoin, okay? I'm buying Bitcoin long-term and holding it. It's the same thing with Kaspa, okay? Just like what I talked about in my previous video. If you guys haven't seen my most previous video, Bitcoin and Kaspa, buy and hold. If you haven't seen that video, you should definitely check it out. Okay, so that's what I'm doing, guys. Okay, I am loading up as much as I possibly can. And Escape says here, Kaspa will be much more rewarding to those with conviction. Kaspa is worth the wait, and that is facts. Okay, that is 100% facts, guys. I 100% do agree with him. Like I said, guys, okay, the patient Kaspa holders will be rewarded massively. I know a fair few of us are actually very, very impatient with Kaspa because all we're doing is just looking at the Kaspa price. But like I said, guys, don't look at the price. Okay, don't look at it for too much. Okay, you don't need to look at the Kaspa price, every single day if it's stressing you out. Okay, so understand, right? The patient, okay, the patients will be rewarded massively. Everyone that is patient for Kaspa will be rewarded massively, guys. Okay, please understand that. So Kaspa is truly worth the wait. Okay, it is. If you're going to be patient with the Kaspa, you're going to be in Kaspa for the next few years. I'm talking 5, 8, even 10 years from now. You will be pretty wealthy in the future. 100%. You're going to be wealthy. Okay, and that's not financial advice, guys. So always do your own research. Okay, don't listen to me. This is personally my opinion. And that's why, personally, I'm going to be holding Kaspa for as long as I possibly can. Okay, so that is that, guys. Not financial advice. So that being said, I appreciate all you guys for watching today's video. Understand Kaspa is truly worth the wait. Be patient, guys. Big moves will be happening for Kaspa. But honestly, like I said, I don't mind the price at this level of 7 cents because I'm buying and accumulating as much as I possibly can. And I hope you guys are in fact doing the same exact thing because this is truly a once in a lifetime opportunity. We're not going to see Kaspa at these price levels for very long. Okay, once we do see Kaspa having a breakout, having a run up to the upside to new all-time highs, we may not see Kaspa ever again below 10 cents, ever again in Kaspa history. That's why I've been telling you guys, this is truly a once in a lifetime opportunity to load up as much as you possibly can while it's super undervalued. Okay, Kaspa's going to be in the top 10, top 5, top 3 one day. Okay, that's going to be happening. So I hope you guys are ready for that. But that being said, I appreciate all you guys for watching today's video. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe. That is always much, much appreciated. And yeah, and we'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.